guys, how you doing? So it's next day, and I think I owe you guys a room tour. I just woke up. It's currently to 8 breakfast, so 8:30. So let me do a quick room tour because we're leaving today. Have a shower. We'll take some cute pictures and have breakfast. That's the plan for the. I had the plan for like doing transitions and all that, but I don't think I can create any content here because of time. So when I get home, I had such a good day yesterday. My husband got me like amazing gifts. You guys can see now. See how my video is popping. One of the gifts are being put to use, to good use. Tell me thank my husband in the comment section. No, I know they say all this my from my husband, my husband. Thank him first. God bless you. I'll see you guys later. Let me get ready. Oh, let me show you guys the room first.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. Dandelions everywhere. Darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as I make mine, and we slowly kiss. Like ivy crawling up the wall, we need to feel the sun. 'Cause we've grown cold from contact lows, falling out of love. And maybe I've ignored the signs. I tend to romanticize. And maybe you tried too many times to tell me you're done just getting by. No, can we fall back to place? Can we find another way? And maybe honestly, in another life, winter brought me to the water where we used to lay. Frozen solid, sinking softly, songs of yesterday. Wilted lilacs painting all these broken memories. Blurred reflections on the ice of you close to me.
Hi. Hello. So today we're Alma Farms and my husband, delectable, the amazing, the soft-spoken Mr. Anche will be our tour guide. So where are we headed now, darling?
I don't know.
This tour guide, you know they pay you salary.
Any pay me salary, I just did because I like you.
I go pay you now in kind.
I like that. But I still don't know.
We fell in love in the winter, but I miss you most in the fall. 3 years, 11 months together after one night in Montreal.
So hi guys, we're back home. This is how many days since today's Thursday. We got back Monday. We didn't do any outdoor activities besides taking pictures. I'm not an outdoor person. I don't enjoy the sun. I don't enjoy hiking. I don't enjoy sweating, all those sweaty activities. That's why you never catch me in the gym, even though I did it temporarily. So that morning, all we did was have breakfast, take pictures by the pool, just explore some parts, but not too much. And then we had to go back to work. We had to go back home and get back to work. My husband already had like work calling him. He had deadlines to meet up. So I guess for vacation another time. So we just spent like a night there and came back home. I'd have liked to stay longer, but work was calling and the internet there was not the best. I'm currently not feeling very well. I have malaria, started taking meds yesterday, but I did have an amazing birthday celebration. Thank you to my amazing husband, to my amazing friends, Diana, Chidima, Wadirama, the Edos, everyone that made my birthday amazing. My mom, my sister, my brother, everybody. Thank you guys so much for all the amazing wishes, all the gifts. My friends really blew my mind. Wadirama, chief planner with my husband, always planning cools with my husband. But yeah, anyway, thank you to every single one that made my birthday amazing. To come your way next year. Signing out. Please subscribe, like, share, comment on this video, and definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.